What's good with y'all, family? Peace and blessings to the gods and the goddesses of the nation throughout all of this destruction. You already know how we do. But came to talk to you guys about this upcoming lecture that I'm about to be doing. Something that I never see no scholars nowhere whatsoever talk about. And that right there is Jewish slave owners. Now, let me get a disclaimer right here. I'm not racist. I don't have no hidden agenda against no Jews. But sometimes you have to release some history. Sometimes you have to let people know about things that they're not privy to knowing. And the Jewish slave trade was something that played a prominent role in the diaspora of the African society. It had just as much to do with it as the Arabs, as the French, as the UK, as America. Especially when you go to like places like, let's say, Jamaica, and then certain places in Africa as well, that when I give you guys this lecture, you guys will know. But the question I want to ask you guys is, do you want me to basically live stream it, or do you want a straight video? Let me know in the comment section, and make sure that you like and subscribe. Make sure that we building these likes up, we building these subscriptions up, because at the end of the day, it takes time and money to do these things. And by the grace of the Creator, I do own my own business, so I do have time to be able to get up on here and give you guys that knowledge that you need. You get what I'm saying? So like and subscribe. Let me know, do you guys want me to live stream this, or do you want me to just do a video? And trust and believe, it'll be done this week. So get with your boy. Peace to the gods and the goddesses. Let's get this knowledge out here. And a lot of the shit that I'm gonna be saying, nobody out here really saying that. Nobody's out here saying that. Nobody's out here giving you this information like I'm giving you. Like with Carthage. You get what I'm saying? Nobody giving you that information like I'm giving it to you. And like with the, let's say with the whole evolution theory, nobody giving you that information like I'm giving it to you. And I'm doing it out of the kindness of my heart, because I want to see everybody know you are privy to the truth. If it's one thing that the Creator gave us, and that's the truth. So if you're not searching out the truth, then you're not searching out nothing, basically. So like and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want me to live stream it, or do you guys want me to just do a video and show you the evidence that I got put up right then and there. So we already out. Peace to the gods and goddesses of the nation, of the land, and of all creation. One.